Welcome to News 7 Crypto. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Click bell the icon for more news update. Bitcoin slides under $20,000, another collapse in the offing? Some parts of the virtual stratosphere are again rife with photos of the Titanic sinking. For those in the know, obviously, that alludes to what has befallen Bitcoin these days. There was supposed to be a good ounce of jubilation in recent days when the world's most popular crypto showed signs of renewed vigor and reclaim a price level that would have eased the fears of many, but, nope. June not a good month for Bitcoin. According to data from Coingecko, Bitcoin fell below $20,000 on Thursday, to $19,112, a drop of 4.5% over the previous week. The most popular cryptocurrency fell below $20,000 for the third time in as many weeks, extending the crypto market's June slump to the very end of the month. The price of Bitcoin has reached a consolidation period and its downward trend appears to have halted following a major shakeout to $17,000. This area is likely to provide substantial support, since it encompasses the 2017 all-time high, and it might trigger a short-term recovery to the $30,000 zone. Multiple variables contribute to Bitcoin's price fluctuations, and as long as these factors persist, this unpredictability and price variation will persist. Three Arrows collapse hit Bitcoin. Popular DeFi tokens such as Solana and Avalanche fell more than Bitcoin as fears of contagion grew in the wake of the failure of the hedge fund Three Arrows Capital. Prior to this month, the price of BTC has fallen below $20,000 at least 3 times, Tuesday evening, Thursday morning, and 2 weeks ago, when the most sought-after cryptocurrency asset broke their heavily monitored threshold after fluctuating below $25,000 for 5 days. BTC total market cap at $364 billion on the daily chart, source, TradingView. Bitcoin's reasonably stable trading after hitting a low of $17,560 on June 18 spurred confidence that the damaged cryptocurrency market was preparing for a turnaround. Deutsche Bank is bullish. Nevertheless, the sector remains under pressure because of the central bank's efforts to drain liquidity and a succession of high-profile cryptocurrency collapses that have eroded investor trust. The crypto market is drastically different from its position at the end of 2020. On December 16 of that year, $20,000 set a record high. At the beginning of this year, an 11% decline in Bitcoin's value to $42,000 was referred to as a bloodbath week. Despite Bitcoin's price decline of roughly 60% over the previous 90 days, and in the wake of this downturn, Deutsche Bank's analysis indicates that BTC's price might still achieve a 30% rally above its present level by the end of the year. Fed announces inflation warnings as Bitcoin whales remain in wait mode. Over the past few hours, the price of Bitcoin has deviated from a key level of support and fallen below $19,000. The transaction history reveals that many addresses purchased Bitcoin for more than $20,000. Inflation warnings affect Bitcoin price. Due to major inflation worries and rate hikes indicated by central banks, particularly the U.S. Federal Reserve, BTC has almost lost half of its value over the previous month. Bitcoin's market valuation has fallen from $1.27 trillion in November 2021 to under $366 billion at present. Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, reaffirmed the Fed's commitment to raising interest rates in order to reduce inflation. He stated during the ECB meeting that the challenge of inflation was more concerning to him than the potential for rising interest rates to cause the U.S. economy to enter a recession. Is there a risk we would go too far? Certainly, there's a risk, Powell said. The bigger mistake to make, let's put it that way, would be to fail to restore price stability. BTC/USD falls below $20,000. Powell argued that the Fed needs to quickly raise rates because a gradual hike may give consumers the impression that increased commodity prices would not go away. He said that rate increases might be lessened before the next year. Following Powell's remarks, U.S. equity market futures declined, with those for the S&P 500 dropping 1.59% and those for the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 losing 1.9%. Asian markets were down, with the Asia Dow Index and Japan's Nikkei 225 both down 1.54%. Data suggests whales are waiting. On-chain data on CryptoQuant suggests that most traders are awaiting the next significant price decline. The price anticipation appears to be for a short-term opportunity, though. On-chain data also implies that big whales are waiting for a good opportunity to accumulate cryptocurrencies, not only tiny and average traders. Data shows that, interestingly, whales' holdings in Bitcoin are not now growing. This demonstrates unequivocally that the whales are awaiting a better opportunity. Whales holdings between 100 and 1,000 and between 1,000 and 10,000 bitcoins currently exhibit a flat line. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon for more news update.